friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? And I'm fine. In today's video, I'm going to show you a mandala art. So now let's go into the video and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Here I am showing you some simple mandala designs with black gel pen. We should have more patience while we are doing mandala art. Here I am showing you only some designs. I'll be showing you more designs in another video. Now let's start the drawing. Here I have already done the circles. There are many types of mandala drawing. I am doing the simple one. Here for each circle I am doing different designs. Here I am doing the same design for this circle. Here I am filling the design as it gives a good look for the whole drawing. Now let's give the outline for the circles with a black sketch pen. Now I am erasing all the reference lines. Here are few more drawings which I have done. Even you can try this type of mandalas. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Let's meet in the next video. Take care. Bye.